Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can turn Canva presentation to the PowerPoint. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here Viaj is my app, Canva app. So let's start with the video. So I'm going to click Canva, and here go to the create, take your presentation canvas. Okay, so here I have the blank canvas. I just quickly put the canvas presentation. Okay, so now let me put one canvas presentation templates here. So we have this template, so let me quickly paste to the page here. So we have the 4 page now. Okay, so you can see there in Canva there is a one option you can download as a PPT, your PowerPoint, as a PowerPoint file. Okay, go to the share and go to see all, and under the save you can see option called Microsoft PowerPoint. Select that. Now here you can select pages. You can select all page or select particular 1 2 3 page like this. I select all page, click done and download. So let it first download. So I will show you how you can open in PowerPoint. So this is PowerPoint file. Now we have, you need to just open this. So now you can see this file has been opened in PowerPoint. So now we can edit on this. You can, if you find any elements or text not download properly or mismatch, you can simply go there, double click on element, and you can just adjust the all, adjust thing like this. Okay, you need to just double click and write or edit or adjust the elements, and then you can download as a any file, like you can download as a PDF, PowerPoint, anything. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.